Know it gets better, even in the rain, you gotta.
So what's good, babes? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a quick weave. First, you're going to need the Wonder Wrap to protect your hair from the glue that you will be putting on your cap. So right now you're just going to see me spreading this product all around my hair except the parts that's going to be my leave out for this quick weave. I'm making sure that I'm putting an even coat all around, and I'm also going to dry this in between because you want it to be hard and stiff before you apply that black cap onto your head. Now, how you dry your hair is totally up to you. I have seen TikToks and other YouTube videos where girls are sitting under the dryer to make sure that this product is dry. But me personally, I don't have a sit under dryer, so I'm just using my hand dryer, going side from side. And now once that is dry, I'm going to go ahead and apply that first black cap. Some people use tan caps. This is really up to you and what you prefer when doing your hair. Honestly, the next time I do one, I think I am going to go ahead with the tan cap because once you place those marks, you're not really able to see once you apply the black cap. So as you can see, I'm just going back in with that Wonder Work to go ahead and apply to the cap. So when I glue down the perimeters and around my leave out, I won't be damaging my hair in this process. And when it's time to take this baby down, it'll be a seamless and easy procedure.
This is a Y2K production.
She was talking now, but it ain't like it used to be. She was by my side, but you ain't like you used to be then. Oh, go ahead and say that I'm wrong for. This shit might be wrong, but it sound like the truth to me. Tell me. I know I'm wrong, but I always end up with them glamour girls. It's your type. End up running into the.
So at this point I had to stand up because now I'm starting to go around the leave out with the glue so that I can cut this excess cap off before I start gluing my tracks down, simply because I was getting kind of confused just leaving the extra, and I didn't want to glue too far or not far enough. So as you can see, I'm just generously spreading the glue around the cap because this is going to help mold and help me be able to cut out the perfect frame for my quick weave.
It's something new. It's something new. Let me up.
So at this point you can see that I'm already cutting out that cap and cutting out my leave out, and yeah. Now at this point I had already started gluing the tracks down. As you can see, I have it lined up perfectly, but don't worry, I'm about to show you how you're going to measure your hair using your tracks to just go ahead and measure it to the head from ear to ear. You want to make sure that you are putting the bundles or the tracks close together so you can get it as full as possible, simply because you don't want your quick weave to be too thin and you don't want it to be too thick. It's really all about a preference, but girl, please don't be out here wearing a thin quick weave because that's just simply not cute. But anyways, enjoy the rest of this video. I will pop back in as needed. If you guys have like additional questions, please feel free to comment in the comment section. and express your concerns or your questions. As you can see, you are going to apply the glue along the tracks. Do not get any glue on the hair because it's going to make it difficult for you to comb through and untangle when it's time to like style your hair. So basically what you're going to be seeing me do in this video for the remaining of the video is basically repeat the same steps until I have reached the top of my leave out. And when I get to that point, you will see. So your girl finally made it to the top of that leave out. As you can see, I'm just showing you where I stopped at. I did have like a little piece that I probably should have put another little piece of track right there. But right now, what you're about to see me do is blend my leave out and basically blend all of the hair together so it can come together and it can actually look like my natural hair. Guys, I am so pleased at how this style turned out. Mind you, this was my first time ever attempting a quick weave on my own hair, and you guys will be seeing me attempting a lot more hairstyles, but baby, this is one for the books. I cannot wait to try different quick weave styles just so that I can continue to learn and perfect this craft. And this is only for me to save me some coins and to be a baddie on a budget at the same time. So if that's you, just take the time out to learn how to do your own hair. Also, while you're doing this style, you want to make sure that you are using heat protecting spray and a serum for your hair so that you can protect your hair from the heat. As you can see now, I'm just going in with my detangle brush and my blow dryer just to blend that hair well before I decide to straighten it and curl it.
Push a boundary, need a brand new beat. Kill my dog, pussy nigga, please, I go Keanu Reeves. We don't go, why you telling me, just let a nigga see. Honestly, I'm not feeling you and you not feeling me. Keep it cheap, but come at the age, just let that nigga be. TLC, no I'm finna creep my phone on D&D. That's my song, ride that dick to beat, I ride that dick to sleep. You ain't beat, but you know you beat to me, he beat is me.
I was so happy to finish. Baby, this is the finishing product. You cannot tell me this is not giving silk press. That is not giving scalp. That is not giving my hair. Ladies, I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you have not subscribed just yet, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Because, baby, as you can see, I'm putting out them gems. Look at this hair. Hair from Amazon. I will try to find a link. And, yeah, see you next time.